Hi, my name's Anna, and in this video I will show you what you can do if your Facebook ad account got disabled and you can't appeal the ban. So my Facebook ad account got disabled roughly 1 month ago, so I know that this is really a pain in the ass. So when the account got disabled, I watched some videos about this, and someone there showed me how you can appeal the decision to Facebook. Well, after like 2 or 3 days, Facebook said that my account can't be recovered and that their decision is final. If you're in a similar spot right now like I was, keep watching because at the end of the video, you will know exactly how I got my Facebook ads running again and how you can do the same thing. So there are basically 2 strategies you can use to get back access to Facebook ads. Both of them are basically getting a new Facebook account and a business manager. I know this sucks, but if you can't get your old account back, well, the only option is to create a new one. So the first way to get a new account is very simple, and it is asking friends or family to use their account. So you basically log into your mum's or boyfriend's Facebook account and create a business manager this way. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Well, I tried it, and it did not work. Actually, the first 1 or 2 days it did work, but then everything got restricted again. Another bad thing about this is that even if it works, you really have to trust the person who owns the account since they basically have complete control over everything. So I would recommend you to try this if you have someone you trust. If you don't, or if this also did not work for you, here is the strategy I used. And by the way, if you are thinking about creating a new account yourself, let me tell you, I tried this as well and it did not work either. I tried creating 3 or 4 accounts, but all of them got restricted instantly. And yes, I used new IP addresses for this. Anyway, let's get to the strategy that actually did work for me. So what I basically did is I purchased a Facebook account with a business manager attached to it. And don't worry, I will show you how everything works and all the pros and cons of this. So first, I tried purchasing accounts from Fiverr for like $20, but they were trash and got disabled after like 1 day. Then I purchased accounts from this website called Account Farm. These were about $100, but they got disabled instantly. Their support is also trash, so I had to file a dispute at my bank to get my money back. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies mentioned or anything like that. So right now, I'm running ads with accounts from a company called Social Empire Network. They were the most expensive ones, but this is probably also the reason why they are working. So I purchased them like 2.5 weeks ago, and since then everything has been working flawlessly. The package I got was $300 and came with 2 accounts and even the matching IP address. The other sites that did not work did not come with this. Maybe this is why they work so well. I will leave the link to this in the video description so that you can check it out yourself. Again, I'm not sponsored or anything like that. The link is not even an affiliate link. I just want to help you guys out. So after you purchase, you will receive login details and the IP address you have to use. They also sent me a specific browser to use.